First of all, I'll cover what are variables. That it was not that clear. I want to make it more clear and explain it to you people. Okay, think that you're creating on variables test class. Okay, I'm naming it as variables test class. Okay, I've created that. So I want to explain what are like static variable, instance variable, and local variable. Okay, so static variable are static in nature. We have to give the keyword static, static int I equal to 20. I have given. This is my static variable. Now, same variable, if I give without static, it is my instance variable. Okay. Now I'm making int j equal to 30. Okay. This will be just after your class. Okay. Any variable that is inside a method, take it as a main method or a
Hello?
sub method.
Hello. Rekha, I'm sorry. I think this is also covered. You remember,
Yeah, just will
you
I'll
also...
make it, yeah, I'll make it more easier. I'm just
Okay.
explaining once because that time it was something was missed. So, okay. So this is my static variable and this is my instance variable or non-static variable. What is local variable? Int m equal to 50. Okay, I have my all variables. Okay, so what is this? This is a data type, right? I explained you what is data type in my previous class, right? We saw some data type, all there were like 8 types of data types. Those are like Boolean, byte, char, short, int, long, float, double. These all are data types, right? So int is my data type. M is my variable name. I can name anything. This is user defined equal to variable value. Okay. Okay. So I want to print now. SYSOU. Okay. So I want to print the value of I. The value of I is. Okay. I'm concatenating and value of I. I'm just printing here I. Okay. I printed. Okay. Now this is value of I. Instead of that, I'll just make it in this way. The value of static variable, I'll just make it. Okay, static variable is I have printed the value of it. Now I'll just do one thing again, system dot out println. I'll just make it the value of local variable is. Okay, I'll just, which is my local variable, the variable which is there inside a method. Okay, that is m. Okay, okay. Now I'll print my instance variable, right? System dot out println the value of instance variable is. Okay, instance variable is. I'm just segregating this and I'll put as j. But see here, when I put j, it is not reading. Why you think it is not reading? It is telling cannot make a static reference to non-static field because here it is j is your non-static, right? It is not a static. There is a concept of static and non-static, and your method is static. Okay, you cannot call something inside a static which is non-static. Since it was a static and it was a static method, we could call it directly. For non-static thing, either we'll have to create the object of that class, then only we can use that. Understood? How can we use? If you want to access non-static, we'll have to create an object of that and use. I'll show you how to create an object for any class. Okay. That we'll see going further, like what is object and all later. Object can be created, class name just copy it. Okay. Just name it as anything. Okay. CLS, I am naming it as user defined CLS new equal to your class name. This you created an object. Okay, object reference you have given, that is your object reference name is CLS. You have created an object and you have stored it in, given the reference as CLS. Anything you can give for that matter. This is your name. Okay. Now, what I can do, CLS, instead of directly writing J is not possible, right? Because J was non-static. I can do this CLS because I have to create an object if I want to read non-static. Okay. CLS dot, I have a J value, right? See, I'm getting it as a now suggestion. I can read directly J. Okay. See, if I have to read some instance variable, I have to create an object of that class, then only I can read, because it was non-static and I have here static method. I can't read non-static inside a static. I'll have to create an object for that, then only I can read. Okay. Now, what I'll do is I'll just run and show you people. If you can just relate, see, you'll be able to see. Static variable is 20, local variable is 50, non-static variable is 30. This is all about static, instance, and local variable. Local variable are the one like which are there inside of method, inside of for loop, inside of block, inside that will have access within this period only. You cannot access outside this method. These are globally available. Static, you can use it anywhere within this class. Okay. Non-static or instance variable you can use with the help of an object reference. Understood? This is all about the